Okay, I sold my large backhoe. It was just costing too much money. I had to rebuild the motor, hoses constantly blowing, cylinders. It was a 1970s, so we traded it in and we went to Woodmaxx and looked at theirs, and this is the 8600. It's the largest one that they make. And it comes on a crate, and they just have cardboard kind of both sides of it, and on the ends here, this is all the cardboard that comes with it. So it's pretty protected. They did have it to where one of the cylinders right here got hit at the trucking terminal. It just knocked the paint off right there on the little tube coming down there. So we'll touch that up with some paint. But the stabilizers, they're packed up and laying kind of in this area here,
twist that cylinder if you need to,
right in here. So we took those off. We're installing them. We have the we did get the one with the thumb on the bucket with the hydraulics. So what you do is on this one here, you can flip the switch and you use the stabilizer here. You can see the picture. We couldn't never figure it out, but you just flip this one way and it does the stabilizer. You flip it this way and you use the same little lever up there that lets the stabilizer down for the bucket to close and open the thumb. They don't give you any directions on which one of these hoses goes where. You just kind of, I guess we're going to guess at it. Do the same way, Brandon, in case we got both of them right. Or you could do it opposite and we know at least one of them's right. But it's a pretty neat little backhoe. It does not come with fluid. You're going to need 7 gallons of fluid, hydraulic fluid, and you'll have to look in the book according to your temperatures. We're going to go ahead and make it to where we can go down to at least 35 degrees. It probably will go way lower than that, but the thing comes pretty well, you know, on the pallet. But the one thing that we did, we cut a hole through the box and we ran a strap right in through here and we had it all the way up at the other end, and we just strapped it down through that hole there. So we still got to put the seat on. We still got the hydraulic hoses to hook up to the pump, which is the pump's up here, and there's the seat. There's the pump. We still got to hook it up, get all the hoses for it. It's not too bad of an assembly. Like I said, mostly the stabilizers and the bucket came. It was already on there. We bought a 1 foot bucket and we got the 2 foot bucket on it. So we're moving along with it. We'll have it running here in just a little bit. I'll make another video when we get it up and running, and because we still got to go get hydraulic fluid and all. Okay, Justin looked up there on the lever for them, and we found out that they did send some instructions. Let me see if I can get them here to where you can see them. The fittings are numbered, like 23 and 24 and 6N and 6L. So you can just do your hoses that way. We didn't see that until Justin just climbed up there. So, all right, well, we're just going to keep on rocking on it and see if we can get the rest of it put together here. They do send some really nice metal caps on there to keep the ends protected, because they are welded in. One thing that I don't like is all of the fittings here are welded into the cylinders. If they would have made it to where they could have got, because if you hit a tree limb or something and break one off, you're going to have to take all the fluid out, clean it out, and re-weld fittings back on it. So, but yeah, it seems like a pretty decent little setup. We'll find out here before long. All right, we're gonna get back at it.
Rev me up just a little bit.
All right, we got the backhoe together. We got the safety bar right there to keep it from folding up. Everything is ready on it. He's priming all the cylinders. It takes, like I say, 7 gallons of fluid, so none of the cylinders have hydraulic fluid in them. None of the hoses have hydraulics. So we're actually priming it up right now. It's got the thumb, and like I said, the thumb is worked by the stabilizers. You got to put this little trigger there, and then now he can do the stabilizer, which is pretty neat. It's got street pads on it. But I've got a 1725 New Holland, and this seems like it's handling it pretty good. It was a little heavy when we was coming off the trailer. We ended up backing the trailer down there and getting it a little bit where I wouldn't be coming off at such an angle. It does have bump stops for the, you can see that bump stop right there. But even with it just at an idle at about 1500 RPMs, still good to go. I mean, it digs pretty fast. Probably almost may dig a little too fast with it all the way revved up. But we'll find out here in a little bit. Alright, I'll get you when we get up there and we get ready to dig. Alright, first time we've used the Woodmaxx. Just seeing how it'll dig. We hadn't had rain here for almost a month. So doing bad at all. You on my pliers?
I got it good enough by hand.
This has got the 2-foot bucket on it. So it's not bad to dig with a 2-foot bucket. Y'all have a good one.